Hello everyone, as always, welcome back to my channel. I'm Abhay and today we're gonna talk about how to start English for beginners. This video is for people who are just starting their English. Maybe you feel like my English is basic. I don't know many words. My English is very basic. I don't know many words. I feel nervous when speaking. And sometimes you think maybe English is difficult for me. But let me tell you something important. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Nobody starts with a perfect English. Everyone begins with a simple words, simple sentence, and small conversation. In this video, I will show you easy English for beginners and you will learn real life English practice, easy sentences, and easy conversations for daily practice. Let me ask you something. If someone speaks to you in English right now, can you answer confidently? Or does your mind suddenly go blank? You know some English words, you know grammar, you know how to make a sentence, but when time to speak English, your mind goes blank. You feel difficult. You don't know how to speak. You don't know where to start. You don't know what to say. If this happens to you, you are not alone. Start with simple sentences. Many beginners they believe they must speak long and complicated sentences to sound good in English. They think I need perfect grammar, big vocabulary, complicated and long sentences. But that's not true. In fact, trying to speak complicated English is one of the biggest reasons beginners feel nervous. If you choose long and complicated words, complicated sentences, then your mind will work. Your mind think a lot to express yourself, express your ideas, your thoughts. Then you will take a lot of time to express yourself and you will deliver your answers lately. That's why you need simple sentences. Why simple sentences are important? If you speak simple, short, clear, then you will speak faster. You will speak natural and you will feel like confident. This way you can reduce your fear, you can speak clearly and you can boost your confidence. So step by step, if you practice simple sentence, simple word, if you choose simplicity, then you can speak more clear. If you are a beginner, then you choose simple sentences, short sentences, and then you can speak clearly. If you speak clearly, then you will feel more confident. So for examples, I am teaching, I'm speaking, I'm hungry, I'm angry, I'm eating, whatever. You can look these examples. I'm tired, I'm happy, I'm bored, I'm speaking, I'm eating, I'm listening, I'm expressing. So like that, you can choose simple sentence and choose simple words and you can speak clearly. You have to choose, you should choose simple sentence, simple words, short. Then you can speak clearly. If you say just tired, then it's okay for you. But if you try to express exhausted, that's complicated and you will feel like nervous when you speak. You will feel like fear. So you have to choose first because you are a beginner, then you try to express simple words, simple sentence. You will feel more confident. I'm tired. You started from simple sentence, but you can expand. I'm tired today. So you can express like that. Expanding simple sentences. You can expand your sentence. How? First, you take one simple sentence. I am hungry. That's simple sentence. But you can add when you feel confident. You can add one extra word. I am very hungry. This way you are still expressing yourself in a simple English, but You are trying to expand your sentence, your expressions by adding extra word. So this way you are still improving your naturality in English. So if you try simple sentence and then you can add extra word and you can speak more natural like this way. Introduce yourself. If you are a beginner, then you should know how to introduce yourself. Why is this important? Because institutions happens everywhere. When you join the class, where will you go? What time class will start? So like the sentences will ask everywhere. People usually ask these kind of sentences. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? So like that simple questions for introduce yourself. We usually listen from people. So you can use, if you are a beginner, then you can use simple sentence, simple words, and then you can boost yourself slowly. Basic self introduction. For example, hello, my name is Abhay. I'm from India and I live in Kerala. So you can say like that, and you can add extra introduction about your profession. I am learning English if you are a student. I am teaching English if you are a teacher. Then you can add. In the end, you can say nice to meet you. If you are a beginner, then you can choose simple introduction in the beginning. Don't go complicated and long. If you choose simple, then you can express yourself naturally and more comfortable ways. Basic daily conversations. Many beginners they know words, vocabulary, they know grammar, but when time to speak English, they will feel silence. They will choose silence. They try to speak, but their mind not working well. Their mind not trying to give words, sentences. So you cannot deliver expressive or effective words or sentence. What happens when you try to speak yourself in front of someone when they ask you anything in English? You will think, what should I say? Where should I start? So your mind will think continue like that. So you don't know how to start, how to express, then you will take a lot of time. That's why I said you choose simple sentence, simple words. But I want to say here, in conversation, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need complicated a lot of grammars, a lot of words. You need to just try to take effort to speak English by simple way and simple English. You have to choose first simple. If you try to use simple, you will speak clearly and naturally. In daily life conversation, you need to express yourself, express your activities in daily life. Then you can choose from morning to afternoon, in evening and at night. And you can choose your activities, what you have done. Why describing day is important? Because in day, during the day, you did a lot of actions, a lot of activities. If you describe your day, you don't need extra and another story to think about that, about how to express yourself, how to express anything, how to speak. Talk about your day. One of the easiest way to practice English. Describing your day is the very easy and simple way to practice English because you have already done a lot of activities from morning to until night. Then you can think, you don't need to think extra because you have already done your activities. You did a lot of things, you just need to describe. But you have to use simple sentence because you don't need to extra effort to think a lot. You have already done a lot of activities during the day. Then you can think simple sentence, short sentence, and you can continue. Describe your day, you will improve your real life English. You will practice past sentence, even past simple sentence, and you can practice simple English. You can improve them easily. Why talking about your day helps in English? Because if you describe your day, you will use past simple. You will practice real life English. You will use simple English. This way, you will improve your morning to night, your daily routines. You can start your sentence from I wake up at 6 a.m., something like that. This way, you have a topic to describe morning to night, what you have done already in day. So you can practice everything, every activities you can practice with simple sentence. Some very common and useful questions. For example, where are you from? What do you do? What are you doing? What are you speaking? What are you listening? Where did you go? Like that, you can speak, you can ask questions, you can use simple way and simple sentence you can use easily without any stress, without any fear, without any hesitations. You can easily say to anyone. Then you can be confident. But if you try to speak slowly, if you are a beginner and you are still trying to speak English fluently, then you try to your sentence simple. You choose simple words. Do not try to complicated words, big vocabulary. Just try to speak simple. Always remember these three things. Number one, simple English is powerful. Number two, mistakes are part of learning. Daily practice builds confidence. Just don't need to rush. You need practice with a simple sentence, simple words, and do not think about perfect grammar. Just try to use without a less and simple grammar. You will automatically use present simple, past simple. So you don't need to think about grammar, too much grammar. Just try to speak simple English and short sentences, very light words that you can practice. English is no longer difficult for you because you started your English with a simple sentence, simple words. So now you can practice, keep practicing on and improve your fluency in English. Now it's time to write one simple sentence. Comment below. And if video helped you, subscribe to the channel for daily English tips, ideas and lessons. In the next video, we will discuss how to improve English fluency. So keep watching, keep learning and keep growing in English. Thank you. See you.